Hello everyone, Spike here. This is going to be my review of the LED Lenser H7 head torch. I've had this torch now for about 6 months and I'm very pleased with it. The torch is rated at a maximum of 140 lumens, which makes it one of the brightest head torches on sale. It comes with a set of batteries and this nylon pouch. I decided very early on not to use this nylon pouch for two reasons. Firstly, it's extremely small and trying to get the unit back inside this pouch is very difficult. Also, I like to wear this torch on the waist belt of my rucksack, and should I bash into a tree whilst in the forest, this would offer no protection whatsoever. It's very flimsy. So I've decided not to use that, and I've gone with a larger camera case which gives me the protection I need and also gives me the ability to carry spare batteries as well, which you just wouldn't be able to do with this. The H7 is very light and comfortable to wear. The battery pack is located at the back here, so it sits on the back of your head. The unit uses 3 AAA batteries which are located underneath this rubber cover, which I'll just take off. Now, I don't know if you can see, but the metal contacts here are all gold coated. This is to minimise energy loss. Now, although it does have this rubber cover which does fit very tightly, it is not waterproof. It is, however, water resistant, so you'll be perfectly fine using the H7 in rain, and I have done in some pretty heavy downpours, and I've never had any problems with it. Operating the H7 is very easy to do, even one-handed. This on the top here is the on-off switch. It's just a simple on-off switch, and on the underside here is a focus control that gives you good spot to flood variation. Let's give you a nice close-up of that. The unit can also be tilted down, let's get this on camera, down 90 degrees, making close-up tasks easier to do. Now the dimmer switch is located on the battery pack, on the back of the battery pack, and gives you full control of the amount of light you want to use. So with the variable focus and the power control, you can use it for looking far off into the distance, close tasks such as setting up camp, or just sitting in your tent at night reading a book. A lot of the other head torches I looked at were very restricted with regards to the light settings. Some only had 2 or 3 light settings and very limited or no focus control whatsoever. Another feature I like about these controls is they're extremely easy to use whilst wearing gloves, which is a big benefit for this time of year. If you're out in the cold, you don't have to be taking your gloves off every 5 minutes to make an adjustment. As you see, especially this dimmer switch, extremely large and easy to use. My only complaint about the H7, apart from the useless pouch, is the strap which holds this unit in place. Now, it holds it in place fairly well while you're walking, but if you're into running, or if you're one of these guys who's into hammering through a forest on a mountain bike at night, I think you find it will slip down unless you have it really tight on your head, which you would probably find extremely annoying. The other thing to consider if you want a torch for hiking is that the H7 has none of the features other head torches have, such as a red light modes or flashing emergency functions. Battery life is stated at 75 hours, but this is obviously on the lowest settings. I haven't been keeping a record of how long a set of batteries have lasted for me, but if you use full power, as I do most of the time walking through the forest at night, the battery life comes down to just a matter of a few hours, which is why I've also decided to invest in a couple of sets of good quality rechargeable batteries. So this is my review of the Ledlenser H7. If you've got any questions, I'll post a comment and I'll do my best to answer them. Okay, thanks very much.